For A-level, I studied maths, physics and music, and then further maths to AS. And I chose these because at the time I wasn't sure whether I was going to become a civil engineer or an opera singer.
So I took physics, maths, further maths and computing for A-level.
After my GCSEs, I chose to study maths, further maths and physics at A-level.
I did maths, further maths, economics and geography at A-level. I always loved maths since I was young from primary school, so I knew I wanted to do both.
I studied 4 A-levels, maths and further maths were the big two there, but I also studied physics and computing, so obviously very sciencey and STEM subjects.
Initially, I chose Spanish, history and art, and then 2 weeks in, I changed my mind and took maths, chemistry, physics and further maths.
I'd say my subjects did feel different to GCSE. Obviously there's a step up in the difficulty there, but I found them quite a bit more interesting because they delve a bit deeper into the sort of content and the knowledge, and that just satisfies my own curiosity.
There were definitely points where I had doubts at the start of A-level. There was quite a steep curve from GCSE to A-level, so that was something that I did have to get used to. And at the beginning, yeah, I encountered some struggles and some serious anxiety, but I was able to sort of persevere and just take each day as it came.
There are points at which I felt like the maths was quite difficult and quite overwhelming, especially with a lot of the further maths content, but a lot of it with time and with practice and with help from your fellow students and from help with your teachers and tutors, you can practice those skills and you can develop them to a point that you're comfortable with the content.
So I found that the A-levels I took gave me an advantage because at the beginning of the course there was some lectures which would just catch up and I was already quite comfortable with their content.
So one of my favourite modules in maths at A-level was actually part of further maths, and it was decision maths, because I really enjoyed how it related to the real world and kind of helped you with regards to critical thinking and management.
Doing further maths externally definitely had its challenges, but I enjoyed it a lot because it meant that I picked up the mathematical skills myself and also the soft skills such as time management and discipline to get the work done.